never stop doing the things you do.
Israel, you can come back when you kill no more. Israel, just the freedom can be the cure. Israel, singing and calling for changing you. Israel, Palestine must have its freedom too. Whoa, 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 Israel, Palestine must have its freedom too. Don't go for Gaza and phosphor. We pay for security, killing our children, and maybe some women. Bombing some schools and some markets. Oops, you and storage as well. Diggy-loo, diggy-lay.
At least we thought that at least we earned the spot to the finals. Probably last place, but just to get into the finals, it's like we did everything. We were the first that did the stage dive. We sang good. We communicated with the crowd, but you know, we won't blame others. It's just that we didn't get the job done. And
Is that feeling that we didn't get our job done? Something went wrong.
So that sucks.
That sucks. Bummer.
But the Armenians, you have to vote for them because
you have to vote for them.
a lot of artists have their noses up high from Eurovision this year, but they're down to earth and they have a great song. You have to vote for them because they're nice people as well.
Second time in Eurovision and second time you're
okay, but I already win. I'm winning my life. This is very important for me. Eurovision is a strange competition and a lot of things in here, no? But I have give a lot of love on the stage, and the people see me. The people feel this. This is it. Yes.
Igen, hát nem meglepett igazából, vagyis nagyon vártam, hogy mi fog történni. Nagyon ideges voltam, és örültem, hogy első volt a nevem.
It was a surprise. I didn't, you know, not really focus on it. I didn't think about it. So of course it was a surprise, but I'm very happy and you know, just thank you all for voting.
I was obviously very anxious since we were called the ninth. By that point, I was getting a bit hopeless that we would actually get through. I was very nervous. However, when our name was, where Malta's name was called, was announced, I was so glad, so happy to have made it through to the final. And now we're basically very looking forward to perform on Saturday. It's such a bonus to have another 3 minutes to entertain all the Europeans.
I really believe in to exchange the audience from the opera to the pop opera and from the pop opera to opera. Why not? It's a good combination, and I think it will work, and it already worked because I'm in the final. So I don't want to to be repetitive, but I really feel that I'm a winner because it's a great chance. I mean it's really a great chance to be in the final at Eurovision. It's a really tough competition, and the second semi-final it was really hard. Great songs, great voices, and it's good. I'm really happy.